kutumia majina zao.
How are you good people?
President William
Welcome. Asante sana. Na huyu ni chairman wa klabu. All the three of them. Okay. Not all of them were here, but good number of them. Asante sana. Hello, how are you doing? You the one just came back from India. Karibu sana. Karibu sana. Hello, mama. Hello.